this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check for student work. There's two ways to check. Here's the first way. Go to your name. Click Admin Settings. Scroll down, click Student Work. Here under this drop-down menu, you can check for the multiple choice question activities. It says thought questions, but you actually cannot check thought questions through here, so ignore this. Math problems if students completed that, read aloud if students completed that, and any reading connections the student made while reading the article. To check for activities, click Activities. You can search by all of your classes or by section. Click View Report. If your student completed the lesson, they will show up on the report. They will not show up if they did not complete the lesson. Here's the lesson, and here's the score. When students are completing multiple choice questions, step 3 in the Achieve routine, if they get it wrong the first time, they're prompted to try it again. This is why you have Part 1 first try score and Part 2. Remember, these scores determine if a student will move up Lexile levels or move down. Notice you have a footnote. This means that the activity was completed quickly. To check for other student work, go again to Admin Settings, Student Work, click Reading Connections. Activities and reading connections are probably going to be the most common student work you're going to check for. Choose your class or section, click View Report. Here, this student made 2 reading connections with this article. To view the reading connection, the Summarize, click here. Scroll down, and here you go. This is what the student summarized in this following paragraph. To check the Setting the Purpose reading connection, click here. Scroll down, and here's the student setting the purpose. One note about setting the purpose. If a student ever sets the purpose during a reading connection, this will automatically go to the thought question under My Notes. I'll show you in 1 second. To check the thought question, you cannot go the way we were going before. To check thought question, you have to use your menu. Click the menu bar. Scroll down, click Student Work under Grade. Here, you can choose what class you want to see and the students that come up. You cannot check any of this information, just the thought question. Here's what I was talking about with setting the purpose. This automatically comes over to My Notes. Here's the student's response. Here's the prompt. Here's a rubric to help you grade student responses. Whenever you're grading, you can use the badge. You can give them a grade and allot them points. If you're not sure about points, use this information button. This lets you know what the point system means in Achieve. This is a great motivator for getting students to complete activities. You can win lots of different prizes. Here you can leave some feedback and then click Send to Student, which will populate in their Achieve email. Let me know if you have any other questions.